All right, what's up, how you guys doing? So you guys know we do time to time a lot of these ad videos for companies who want to send me their products to test. So today we're doing another one of those. We're gonna start off with AUXITO. I've done a lot of videos for them in the past about their LED bulbs and all that stuff. Very good quality products, but Bill from AUXITO sent me this jump starter with the air compressor. So it's ultimately like a power bank, engine starter, flashlight, and an air inflation tool, which is really nice. So it comes with like this stuff. It shows you everything about it. And then it says like you charge mobile phone, iPad, game consoles, the LED flashlight, and then the procedure in order to be able to charge, and like all the proper specifications for it. But pretty much I already opened it. I've been using this as always. Before I do any video for any products, I tell sorry, there's like spider webs on my so before any time I do videos for any products, I like to test them, so then I can see the flaws, and I explain to every company who sends me a product as well. I'm going to give you my honest opinion, so there's no beating around the bush on this. This is exactly how I feel about this, so I'll let you guys know what I think. So right off the bat, when I received it, obviously the packaging was very nice. So it has this nice strap, obviously, where you're able to open this up. And now when you open it, this is the representation of what it comes with. So it's this nice flap. When you open it up, you got your nice AUXITO unit right here. As you guys can see, this thing is massive. It is very thick. That's a good sign because it has an air compressor in it. Nice flashlight in the front. This is the airport, I believe. And then right here, this is for the jump starter, for your car to be able to jump start it. And where's the USB port? Oh, right here you got your other two USB ports for it. Now this is what comes in the box. Obviously you have your instruction manual for it. Then you get your tire inflation tube. This is what connects to the machine. You have your jump start cables right here, connects to the machine to your battery. And then you got the charging wire. You could use your own any wire. And then these are like tools to be able to use like a, I feel like a basketball or something like that. Now, main thing for me, why I love products like this. So let me just show you guys how many cars I have just in my driveway and why this is a big deal to me. And I have so many of these. Car number 1, Toyota Supra. Car number 2, Nissan 370Z. Car number 3, Subaru STI. Car number 4, Toyota Corolla. So just those cars are, it's not that many. We have more cars, but obviously, but I can't show you guys a few of them. But just alone right here, I have 4 cars. So with this, these guys always, I try to turn them on at least once a week. This guy more than once a week. The Z once a week. Subaru is my daily. Corolla used to be my old daily. And then, oh, I also forgot, the car is covered, but we also have the 240 under here. That's almost done. So this is a really big deal. I should honestly have a balanced charger for all these cars, so there's charging all together. But with not having that, this is a big factor. So whenever I want to turn these cars on, obviously, time to time, I may have to use a jump box, which this is what I need to use. It's perfect, comes with the cables, all the stuff. Able to jump the cars, have no issue. Second thing, whenever I go racing, if I do go racing, I don't go that much anymore, but when I used to, this car specifically, we have bead locks in the rear with the Mickey Thompsons. Now, if you guys know anything about Mickey Thompsons or ever had some, you want to air them down. So I typically, when I'm roll racing, or if I want to do something like that, you know, have some fun, I'll push them down to 15 psi. Now 15 psi is fun for racing and stuff, but that sidewall is going to be more squished than what it looks like right now, because the air is going to be less in it. Now when you want to drive back home or etc., you need to bump them back up. So rather than stopping at a gas station, I just straight up pull over, pull out my box, hook up the pump these up to 25. And this thing also has a digital display. So yeah, same thing with the Z. I'm going to show you guys right now because the Z's been sitting. It's been raining, I can't really drive it. and it looks like our front wheel has gone flat. So we can pump this up, try to start this car up. Sometimes sits too long it dies, so this is perfect. All right, so you're gonna take your AUXITO box, go ahead and pretty much thread this guy in. You don't need to go tight, you just, there's an o-ring. As long as that o-ring is snug, that's all that matters, and we're good to go. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove our cap, turn this on, and then I think this is 35. So that's one of the nice things, it actually stops at 35 when it's finished. Some of the other ones I've had doesn't do that. Very nice. Just take this off and we're good to go. Now let's check all the other ones. So it did take a little bit longer than normal to do these huge plies Mickey Thompsons. The ETSRs on my Z, they're the street compound. This setup is more the drag compound. So it took a little bit longer to get it to 25. Just alone right now I charged 8 tires. I pumped 8 tires. So they were pretty much all low. And let's see how much power we have left in this thing. So we still have 68% power. So we charged 8 full tires. 4 Mickey Thompson style, 4 normal, and we still have that much charge. So I'm very impressed. Let me finish warming this up and then we'll talk more. Alright guys, so you guys saw, sorry the car was loud, but pretty much our AUXITO box. Oh yeah, let's show you guys the light feature too. So we turn it on and then hit that light and look at that. So we got nice light, blink, red blink. It's a very nice unit. 68%, we charged 8 tires with it. So yeah, it definitely has a lot of life in it, and it's very compact, very nice. Now if you guys are someone like me who has a bunch of cars and you need to fill them up or do this and that, you can get yourself one of these AUXITO jump starter boxes. Links will be in the description so you guys can check it out. And thank you again, Bill from AUXITO, for always sending me these cool products. Be looking forward to the next item you send me. Thank you very much. Guys, get this for yourself. This is a must-have for every car you have.